Hello, everyone. This is Alexis, Customer Success Manager at Prosymmetry. In this video, I'm going to be showing the project and resource audit logs. So first, I have my Tempest homepage pulled up here. I'm going to go into project management, and you can go into any specific project. So in this case, I'm going to select this project, Apollo Phase 14. If I select the three dots over here, you see that there's an option for audit log. If you select that, you now have the ability to see all of the changes made within this project. So you can see, it was updated. This is what was updated by Samantha Varner, this date, this time. Something was cloned, created, updated, deleted, and so on. You can select specific start and end dates. So let's say, in the month of November, let's see what happened within this project. So here we go. Here's everything within November. You also have the ability to export this to Excel here. And you can also add other filters. So in this case, you can see that it's specific to this project being filtered, but there's a list of different attributes in here that you can also filter by. So this was the project audit log. I'm now going to show a resource. So let's go into resource management and let's choose myself. Again, three dots over here and audit log. So within here, this is very similar, but this is going to be specific to that resource. So I can see a lot of logged in and logged out. Something was created, something was cloned. And again, you can see the date and time here. You can sort by start and end date, filters, as well as export to Excel. So this is different than the audit log on that homepage, whereas you can see just that specific project or resources audit log. I believe that is it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.